Hi guys, so I have bunch of plants today and I'm meeting two of my favorite people. So here's a quick get ready with me. I have been ordering a lot from this website. It's called New Me, and since it's April, it's going to be a sundress for me, a bright blue sundress. If you use my link to sign up for this website, you'll get 500 rupees in your wallet plus an extra 20% off. Starting with my skincare, I have finished 3 tubes of this moisturizer. It's called Bioderma Atoderm cream. I think it's such a nourishing cream from, for anyone, someone who's has sensitive skin or broken skin barrier. So yeah, and I'm gonna let this cream sink in for about like 5 minutes before I do anything else to my face. Meanwhile, I'll have some breakfast. I have chose some muted tone delicate jewelry for this look, and of course I can't put my rings on without lubrication in the hole first. Oh well, that sounds bad. Shut up. Now I'm gonna put another moisturizer kind of, well, it's a mixture between moisturizer and makeup. So for my base, this is the only thing I'm gonna do. It has AHA and it is like glowy. It gives me, MAC stroke cream kind of effect, honestly. So just look at the before and after. But yeah, I've been loving this is just naturally glowing skin effect for me. Because I'm wearing a dress today, some of my body is visible and I do not plan on looking ashy. So here's a baby lotion. Why did I say baby lotion? Body lotion. And I'm also going to mix it with some liquid highlighter. And girls, that's how you glow all over, and everyone will think you have naturally glass skin on your whole body. Now finally, with makeup, my trusty dusty almost finished on verge of death concealer. This is Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm gonna apply it under my eye, of course. Let's be honest, I did not sleep more than 3 hours last night and my dark circles are at its worst. I'm letting the concealer sit for a while, so I'm basically going to keep today's look natural, and that's why instead of a lipstick I'm going to apply lip stain. Don't worry, it's not gonna look this opaque when I take it off. It's a stain. Now it's time to blend an unset concealer under my eyes, and then I'm gonna set it with powder. For my eyelids though, I'm gonna use eyeshadow instead of powder, just because I feel like it helps with the creasing better than a powder. Now look at that, a perfect and natural tint. Now an eyeliner, my signature eyeliner, but I'm just doing a basic one today, keeping the look more bearable for the daytime. Well, I say bearable, but what I really mean is I do not want any aunties staring at my reverse gear eyes. I just can't deal with that today. No bandwidth. Sorry, ma'am. I'm also going to blend it, after the eyeliner. I'm also going to blend it with a brush to kind of smooth it out so it's not too harsh, but I'm also not doing a smoky eyes like a nighttime makeup. This is just typical North Indian girls everyday makeup kind of look. I'm of course using a setting spray on my eye makeup so it doesn't smudge throughout the day. I have a long day ahead and I'm going to be out in the sun for a long time. To finish it off, an SPF lip balm from Dot & Key. Sorry if I forgot to mention some of the product that I have used today, but I'll mention those in description box. And girls, that's how you eat after you applied lip balms. Learn something new today, right? You're welcome. And that is my makeup in natural sunlight. Then I went to lunch with some friends. I barely ate. I was so excited to go to this book festival afterwards, and also I had a breakfast today, so I was just not in the mood. Plus, don't you guys feel like you can't eat much in summer and in winter you're like Hulk? I feel like that. I lose quite a lot of weight when it's summer. I finally reached to the book festival. Here I met up with another friend of mine. She helped me pick out the books. She helped me carry the books too, and she helped me record myself. Well, I ended up buying way more than I can read this year, but I basically bought classics, literature classics, so it can stay in my room for the longest. I don't really mind for those kind of books. Fictional books I kind of read and just donate it immediately, but these books, these are collectibles. And then most exciting part of the day, we snuck into my old college. We still knew our way around it. I met this cutie patootie and we did some photo shoot, some candid pictures and not so candid pictures, and we made reels and stories for the Instagram, for hers and for mine. By this time I was hungry and I ate the most delicious CTC. I don't know what it's made out of, but I'm eating this.